today's guest speaker, Dr. Janardhanan Tulasi, an associate professor and head in charge of Center for Environmental Management, NITTTR, shortly known, which is called as National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, located at Taramani in Chennai. And he is a graduate of BEME from College of Engineering, Guindy, with a master's in soil mechanics and foundation, and also a PhD holder in the specialization of Geo-Environmental Engineering from University of Illinois, USA. And he is an expertise from in the field of green building, water quality management, sustainable geographical information, and also management information. And in addition, he has an expertise in instructional design and delivery through ICT, which we adopt in the present scenario in all the engineering institutions. And he holds a consultancy project with a tune of 185 lakhs. And that's it about our today's speaker. So, on behalf of all, I once again welcome Dr. Janardhanan sir. Sir, over to you, sir. Please take over the session.
Thank you, Eril. It's really a pleasure to be always with the lecture with associate with Krishna Institute, because in the year 2013, maybe the first time we visited Institute for an international conference, which your dynamic chairperson Malarvadi Madam was coordinating. It was a great, from that more than 7-8 years association with them. And today's topic is to discuss about the distress in the building due to some problematic soil. In the life also we might get distress and disturbed due to some problematic person. Similarly, there are some problematic soils, but the soil seems to be normal. We cannot identify the soil. Is it a problematic soil or normal soil? The soil seems to be very good soil, but when it associates with some other foreign material, it becomes a problematic soil. Similarly to our human being also, because there are some colleagues who might be very good, but when they join together, they do all mischievous. Like students also, students or colleagues, whoever be the situation, wherever. Because this problematic soil, when it is there, already the structure is there, how to prevent the distress, or before starting it, this thing, how to avoid problematic soil. Sometimes you might have, before constructing itself, you can avoid the problematic soil and you can place the building in a different locations, or different preventive measures you can take it. So there are issues because the structural distress. Sometimes if you see the very famous Niigata earthquake of 1964 provide us an insight about the liquefaction phenomena. The buildings were intact and it toppled 90 degrees, 60 degrees, but due to the soil failure. Because the soil by itself, a nature, it is a second predominantly used material after water. And similarly, it is a predominant material which has not been taken into consideration appropriately. Water everywhere, it is available, let us use it and exploit it. Similarly, oh, it is soil, well, you know what it is going to do. But there are several case studies are available. More than 1/5 of our soil in the country is with the expansive soil, and it is there. And today I'm going to talk about 2 case studies which we have witnessed and which it is there in our campus itself. That's as a case study which I'm going to share with you. This has also been made into one of our very famous course, Teach the Soil Mechanics course, the grounded mechanics one course we are bringing it, where we want to showcase how to take care of the materials. That is the thing which we are going to discuss. As usual, in this lecture, the content expressed are purely my technical perspective. It does not represent the organization to which I am affiliated. So before starting the lecture, let me have some poll, Menti poll, because around